Fuck! Another video here. Pretty hot today. 4th of July weekend. Yeah, these past few days, I've been just waiting on this part, but it finally came in when I was on a trip. Took a trip to like Windstar Casino. Fuck no, dude. Lost $1,000 in that bitch. It's alright. I'll make it up later. But yeah, here today's video, we're just gonna install the fuel pump. Alright, let's get started. Alright, here's the old fucking fuel pump. The fucking broken ass spacer. Yeah, like I said, I don't know if I said in the last video, but be careful, these things break real easy. But it doesn't matter. As long as you have the spacer intact, it'll be fine. And then you got the new fuel pump from Carter Fuel Systems, I guess. And I got this from Summit Racing. Honestly, guys, I'm pretty dumb. Whenever I got the other fuel pump, sorry, it kind of looked like this one, like in this box with a different brand, but it had those fucking different type of fuel pumps on each side of the box, and I didn't even bother opening the box. I just thought it looked like this. And I was like, fuck no, I gotta return this. So I went back to AutoZone, I returned it. And then again, whatever. If it was that one, then whatever. I got this one instead. Yeah. So I went to Summer Racing, whatever. Bought it, and then they shipped it from the manufacturer, from Carter, and then they shipped it to the house. But yeah. The plan is put this thing back in. Honestly, I don't even know if this thing was the fuck up, because it still has like old fuel in it. Maybe it was working, it still had old fuel in it and it wasn't turning on correctly. And whatever, I dumped this and a bunch of old fuel in it. So it's probably like sucking up old fuel, and it couldn't turn on the engine because it was, bad fuel. So yeah, it's better. Whatever, it's better to have a new one. Doesn't hurt. But yeah, that's what I'm doing this video. And it's a really tight corner, so you won't see me install it. I'll tell you at this video when I'm done installing it. Alright guys, that's how it should be. It's fuel pump, gasket, spacer going that way, and then another fucking gasket. And then you're gonna put it in, screw it back on, and put back the hoses. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I put the thing in, the fuel pump. Now I'm gonna put the hoses. I'm pretty sure this one goes here. There, we did it. We tighten up the hoses. Now, before we do anything, we're also gonna change this. The fuel filter for the bought a new one. It's not the exact one, but it'll do. Here it is. Looks about the right, tube length. Because some of them, they're small engines and big engines, so they just, yep. Alright. There's an arrow on it. And you're gonna put it, this one, oh shit, it has fuel still. This one has an arrow on it too. where that tube was going to, you're gonna put it where the tube was. All right, there. Fuel filter in, fuel pump in. We're gonna plug back the battery and then see if this, you know, get some fuel. And you know what I mean? Hope it fucking works. Hope it starts. Let me clean this up. Then I'll show you guys what I'm doing right now. Alright guys, this is another day here. I know I didn't get a video yesterday, but some guy tried to help me yesterday. There was a bunch of big progress yesterday, but it seems like we're still not getting fuel in the lines. So I bought an air compressor and we're gonna clean the lines. And then seems this distributor have like these vacuum hoses or spots. I'm just gonna have to plug this up. I don't know if that makes it any better. Yeah. Let me show you guys what I bought. Alright, I got the compressor. It was $90. And then I bought this kit that goes with it. I bought this power inverter so I can just connect it to my battery. Because right here we don't have like anything close to an outlet, and I can't move the car. I got these vacuum seals or caps. That way we could cover the fucking vacuum ports. Got this carb cleaner, and I got this seafoam and put it in the gas tank. See if it does anything. Yeah. Hopefully this shit works. I don't have a funnel, but fuck it. Let's see how it goes. Guys, so I have this old distributor that I bought. Yeah, it's vacuumed to something. Well, I don't know. I checked in my engine bay. And I don't see any more. Like, I guess they're somewhere those hoses are from, but I don't know where they're at. Probably gone. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on, see what's up. Alright, there it is, capped up. Now, what I'm gonna do, open those gas lines and open the back one too. Get the air compressor, blow it, and then put some carb cleaner that will help break up the deposits in there. And then put it back together, and then let's try making the start. All right, check out the hose. I already went onto the car and check out the hoses that goes to the fuel line to the gas tank. I got my fucking my air compressor. It works. Told you. And then yeah, we're gonna see what happens when I put air in it. It's nighttime. What I'm gonna do is I'll just tell you the summary of what happened in the past 2 days. So yesterday, I put the new fuel filter in. I put the new fuel pump. I tried to start up the car. There was no fuel going to the lines. Some guy came and stopped by and tried to help me with the car. And then nothing. We got ignition for sure. Like we heard the cylinders going up and down, and a bunch of backfires from the back of the car. But it sounded like it wanted to turn on, but it couldn't turn on with just putting starting fluid on the carburetor, because that's just for a start. But I don't even know. Yesterday we kept on cranking it, and then the starter just stopped working. And the guy he's kind of like a mechanic, but he said the starter overheated. I was like, makes sense. And then how you call it? I tried again today. I unclogged the fuel lines. I got air compressor, and then I got carburetor cleaner. I also put that in there so I could break out the deposits, and then I tried starting up the car again, and thought the starter was stuck or something. I could hear it engaging, but I don't know. I don't know if I overheated the starter, like it doesn't work anymore, because I just got it like 3 months ago. I think I have warranty on it. Maybe I'll just get another one and reinstall it, a fresh starter, because I just needed a crank. So if it cranks and the lines are unclogged, I could the mechanical fuel pump will do its thing and like get fuel in the lines to the carburetor, and maybe we could start. I keep saying this, but I just want it to happen to make start the car already. I did all the things that needed to be done. Change the fluids. I cleaned the gas tank. Now I just barely cleaned the lines, which I should have done, but I didn't know. And then I put a new radiator, put a lot of things, but it's an old, almost 40-year-old car, and I don't know. My brother just got a 1987 C10, the last of the square bodies. And I'm going to do a review when I go on leave. I'm going to go on leave like next week. I also have a plan. Leave is leaving the army is just like vacation. So that's what I mean by leave. I'm going to taking a week off. Got a lot of work to do. I also got sergeant. I get pinned sergeant this week. It's one good thing. I kind of remember reading lists. I don't know. The army's pretty chill, I guess. But who knows? I got 10 months left. Still thinking about it. But for sure, I'm going to finish college. I only got 2 years left. Alright, guys. To the next video. Next video is going to be the 1987 C10. I'm going to do a review with my brother about his truck and the story, why he wanted it. And it'll be pretty cool. It's a classic, truck. Yep. See you guys in the next video.